Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2023 VW Polo Life. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to a very impressive 51 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of 3, so ideal for new drivers. And this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 20,000 miles and comes with full service history. This colour is called the Ascot Grey and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the theme continues. So you've got a nice clean interior. The seats are in really nice condition. There's a two cup holders and a armrest there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention. The car also has air conditioning, cruise control on the left-hand side of the steering wheel there, as well as automatic headlights and wipers, the virtual cockpit display. And on the driver's door card, you then have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. For a small hatchback, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own 2 charging USB-C charging ports there in the centre, as well as pockets in the back of the front seats. Opening the tailgate reveals a nice deep boot there with the rear seats that can be folded flat, as well as the parcel shelf that's still in place. The boot floor, which is adjustable, you can increase the height if you wish, and just below that you've then also got some extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, and the 15-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.